Hello guys, so today I just want to talk about a few tips for those new woodworkers. First tip is the hobby you're getting into is not an inexpensive one. You will be spending a decent amount of money to buy those tools. While the tool is a one-time purchase or a few years from then buying another tool purchase, those tools are expensive. Also, with every project you have to be buying wood, you possibly have to buy more stained polyacrylic, and everything does add up quickly with the woodworking hobby. While I do say that, I'm not trying to deter you from doing it. It is a great hobby and I really enjoy it. Another tip I have is measure twice, cut once. What I mean by that is, don't just measure, oh, I think I have it, and now I'm gonna go cut. Make sure you have that same measurement one more time, because if there's a difference, you wanna know which one is the correct one. Tip 3, don't just go by the plans. Yes, I know plans do say, this is how long it should be, this is how wide it should be. That doesn't mean your project's gonna be that way. Throughout time, your project may become a little smaller or a little bigger, so you may have to change those plans as you go. I know this is something that happens to many different woodworkers, and you will see people, including me, not listen to that rule, and then you have some more scrap than you anticipated. The fourth tip is simple as okay. With woodworking, you can make something as small as a cup look great, or as nice as a picture frame. A small project can be as hard as a big project. This is because sometimes those bigger projects are less steps. It's just you're using more wood. Tip 6, enjoy what you're doing. Get the tools that you want, get the tools that you enjoy, and just enjoy your shop. A smaller shop does not mean an inferior shop. You can have all your stuff crammed into one spot, but then just move it out. That's how I do it. I have everything mobile. Whatever I don't have mobile is stuff that is mobile itself. Another big tip is you will make mistakes along the way. Don't get mad at yourself if you round over a corner, if you cut something a little too small. It's okay, you will make mistakes, and you should own up to your mistakes and just fix them. It's okay. If you have to make something a little smaller because you messed up, that is okay. Every woodworker has been through that problem. Another tip, cut a little bigger than you want. Because if you cut exactly where you think it is, it then may be a little too small. So if you measure something like 21 inches, maybe cut it at 21 and a 16th or 21 and an 8th. Because then you can just cut it down a little bit and then it will be perfect. If you make it too small though, then you have to cut a whole nother piece, and again, you have more scrap than anticipated. So, just cut big. I hope you enjoyed these tips with me. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Chop that subscribe button, hammer that like button, and mark up the comment section.